Hi dearest, how are you doing today? Welcome once more to my channel, The Vent Crafts. So today we're going to be looking at tips and tricks and also how to make use of the hot glue gun. So before we dive into that, let's ask the question right in the last video I put up, and the winner is Happy Noella. Congratulations, you have won to attend the Ventcraft Academy Fascinator Class 1 for free. Now, if you want to be a winner to attend our classes for free or get probably a discount, you want to always stay to the very end of our video. Let's dive into today's tutorial. So our hot glue gun is actually a portable device that we use to melt our glue sticks in gluing various materials that we make use of in our millinery crafts. Now, these are the various parts of the hot glue gun. You have the nozzle, that's the part where the glue comes out from when it's melting. Then the stand to help you stand it, okay? Then that's the glue stick that is melted and is put inside that place there. Then this is the trigger where you press to force the glue out, and that is our on and off button. Some do have high and low temperature button there, but the one I make use of, it's the on and off button. Now you have two sizes of the hot glue gun, and that is the full size and the mini size. So when you want to order, you need to ensure that you look at the sizes of this gun. You look at the title. Most times if it's a full size, it will be indicated on the title. If it's a mini, it will be indicated, so you know what you're getting. These two type of glue guns also make use of different glue sticks. The mini makes use of the 7mm and the full size makes use of the 11mm. So you want to be careful when purchasing the glue sticks for your glue gun as well. So I did a little research for you based on reviews. I have put up two links in the description of this video where you can purchase both the full size and the mini hot glue gun. But due to my research also, I find out that the mini hot glue gun doesn't last as long as the full size. I haven't used the mini, so I'm just talking on the research I've done. So, but if you don't have the funds to get the full size, then you might as well go for the mini. But you would see I've given you the ones I saw great reviews is below in the description of this video. If you're gaining value from this video so far, please do give me a thumbs up. Click the like button below this video. Thank you. Now that's not all about the glue sticks. There are much more. You have the one that is clear and the one that is like milky. I advise you go for the clear one. The milky one kind of leaves some stains, but the clear one, it's clear. So when you use it on things that are white, you don't see them. Things that are bright in color rather, you don't see the glue. But if you use the other one, it tends to leave a stain on it. So I advise when you're buying glue sticks, ensure you buy the clear one. There are many more other types of glue sticks, but that would be for another time if you need to get to know more about glue sticks. So let's continue. How do we make use of this? So you take your hot glue gun. I'm going to be making use of my faulty hot glue gun because there's the other one already has a long one fixed. So if you see there's a short one that was left, that's the remaining of what was used before it got faulty. So what you do is you push in the glue sticks inside till it hits it, and when you press it starts to push it all out. Now if you don't have a glue stick in it already, just push it in till it hits the end. Now the next thing you want to do is connect it to your power source like so. Then you click your on button. Can you see the LED light comes on to show it is on? You want to get where you would place it on, because once it gets hot it does bring out some spill. Left it for like 2 to 5 minutes. Now you can see it's ready to use. Okay, so you put up you clip backwards the stand when you want to make use of it. See it being made use of right now, and then you put the stand back down and place it. So for staying with me to the very end of this video, this is your question: how many types of hot glue gun do we have? So I'm going to be picking out 3 people randomly who is going to win to attend the Ventcraft Academy Miss Class 1 for free. Now before you go, do click that subscribe button if you haven't, and the bell so you get notified of when I put up new videos. And before you jump out of my channel, The Ven Crafts, do check out this next video on more tips and tricks. Thank you once more for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. Till we meet next time is goodbye and God bless.